Hello, my name is Jesus Gilberto Reigosa Novelo.
Hi, Jesus. My name is Priscila Pantoja.
Hi. Question number 1. What natural features do we have?
The human who has the full ability to speak.
Thanks.
What will animals are caiman?
In Yucatan, animals such as the pink flamingo, the jaguar, the white-tailed deer, and the swamp crocodile are common, etc.
Okay.
What animals do we use on farms, for example?
We use cows, donkeys, and chickens. Where can we see other animals like dolphins or camels?
The common dolphin can be found in a tropical, subtropical, and warm temperate waters. For example, in the Atlantic Ocean. They migrate as far north as Iceland. And wild camels are found in many desert and steppe regions. For example, of Central Asia, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Mongolia, China, etc. And something more local will be, for example, dolphins in aquariums and camels, possibly in a zoo.
Okay. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you.